Swadika. Welcome to Thai Spice Kitchen. My name is Kritia and I live in Bangkok. And today, what I am going to cook for today, I am going to make chicken curry. We are going to make the red curry with chicken today. Okay, let's start with the ingredient. Definitely when we are making red curry, so you need a good curry paste. So this curry paste, I bought it from the market. So different brand have a different flavor. So if you would like to know what brand I use, so you can make a comment and then I can answer you in the comment. Because if you choose a wrong kind or a wrong brand of the red curry paste, it can also give you a different flavor. So make sure that all the curry paste you are using in your Thai curry is made in Thailand. Okay? Okay, so I need about 3 tablespoons of the red curry paste. And I need 3 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1.5 of tablespoon of palm sugar. We are using this kind of sugar when we make the Thai curry. And coconut milk, I have the coconut milk and the coconut cream. For the coconut milk, I need about 600 ml of the coconut milk and I need about 500 ml of the coconut cream and about 350 grams of the boneless chicken. You can use other kind of chicken, you can use thigh or you can use legs, whatever. But for me, I prefer the chicken breast. For the veggies, it's so simple. For today, I am going to use the Thai eggplant. So this is how the Thai eggplant look like. It's a round Thai eggplant. So I need about 300 grams of it. So that's about 7 or 8 eggplant and spur chili, a couple of spur chili. This one doesn't give any kind of spicy into it, but it just makes the color of the curry look nice. And to enhance the herbal flavor of the curry, you need kaffir leaves. So you need a couple of them, so roughly about 30 grams. And this one, you need a Thai sweet basil. Okay, so now let's prepare. Now we are start with the slicing kitchen. You don't want the chicken to be too thin. So this is how you slice it. So you slice it into a strip like this, about ½ centimeter. Once you cut the eggplant, you don't leave it on the cutting board like this. You need to put it in the water to make sure that it will not get brown. That you already cut in and let it sit in there until you use it. And then the eggplant will look nice and white and looks good when you use it in the pot. Okay. Now we cut the spur chili. This is how we cut the spur chili. We cut it this way. Okay. All right. And try to get the seed out of it. Okay. Before we use, we make sure that we get all the seed out. Okay. We don't want to have the seed. Right. Okay. Just leave it in here. Then it will not turn brown. And for the Thai sweet basil, and put it in the water like this. Let it sit there. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is good. Kaffir leaf. This is so simple. What you need to do is just to tear it along the center piece, along the center stem, because you want to get the aroma out of it. You don't dice it or you don't chop it. Because once you tear it, and then the oil of the kaffir leaf will come out. Just simple tear this off like this. Okay, for the big piece, you'll just tear it into half. Okay, this is good. Now it's 5 minutes. You could see the difference that the coconut cream, start to get reduced, and you could see that the oil, the coconut oil, start to separate out. Okay, we will do this, and then we will add the rest of the coconut cream. Okay, the reason I do this because I want my curry to have a very nice red curry. But this is a tip how to make a nice good red curry. Okay, I will add another third of the coconut cream. Okay, all right. And I will repeat the same steps. In this way, you will get a very nice red curry, a very good creamy red curry, and you also get a nice herbal and also a good coconut flavor into your curry. This is looking good. Okay, I will put the remaining of the coconut cream. Okay. This is good. Okay, and when we will keep stirring, so 5 more minutes. I cook the coconut creams about 30 minutes, and then we get to this point. You could see this has become very condensed, and the coconut cream 500 ml that I put in, it now start getting to reduce, and you will see the coconut oil start to separate out. This is how the curry gets so creamy. See? You see the clear coconut oil start to separate out. So this is almost ready. So I will just keep stirring a little bit for 1 more minute, and then we will add the curry paste. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, we have to cook the coconut cream until it's come to this point. Okay, you see the textures? This is what we want. It smells so nice here. This is really nice. This is how we like the coconut cream to be like. Okay, you see the clear coconut oil start to separate out, and now I'm going to put the curry paste. Okay, all right. Okay, we just stir in the curry paste. Make sure that all the curry paste that we put in is all well blended and it gets cooked. I will show you how it looks like when the curry paste is cooked. The curry paste made out of kaffir leaves and lemongrass, and so you will see that there will be a lot of aroma come out of it, and we will get to see the oil. Okay, if you could notice the clear, the clear oil right here. So this is the aromatic oil that come out from the herbs that we put in the curry paste. Okay, this is the curry paste with the coconut cream. You see that all the coconut cream being well blended with the with the curry paste, and you see the oil. This is the aroma oil that comes out from the curry paste. It's not the vegetables oil, but it's the oil that comes out from the herbs that we put in the curry paste. Okay, and then the next step, okay, I will bring this to boil one more time, and then I will put the coconut milk. Make sure that your curry paste is well cooked. Otherwise, it will taste very funny. And now I will put the remaining of the coconut milk. Wow. Look at the color. This is how the red curry should look like. Everything is come from the beginning. The critical part is to cook the coconut cream up to the right point. This. Okay, so I put the coconut milk in it and I bring it to boil. Okay, I will just let you see, look at all the oil on the side. This is aroma oil from the curry paste alone. This is the oil, nothing from the vegetables oil. Okay. This is the, why the curry is very delicious and why it's so popular. Yeah, because it have a lot of herbal into it. Okay, and now I'm going to put eggplant. Okay, make sure that the curry is boiling before you put it in. Okay, alright. Okay. Now we'll put the eggplant in. And then we stir a little bit. Okay, make sure that eggplant, are all even cooked. Wow, I love the color of my curry. So for the eggplant, it doesn't have a definite rule, how well you like it to be. If you like it very mushy, well cooked, then you can leave it longer. But some, just like the eggplant to be a little bit crispy. So you don't have to put it, too long. Okay, so, all right, now I wait for the curry to get boiled again, and then I will put the meat, and then I will put the sauce, and then that's it. Okay, all right. Okay, I put the heat up. Put the chicken. Okay. The color, it looks so beautiful. Okay, and then I wait for my chicken to get about halfway cooked, and then I will put the palm sugar. Okay, I wait for the curry to get boiled one more time. Okay, how's my chicken doing? Good. Okay, now I'm going to put palm sugar. Okay. Okay, I will put palm sugar in, and then I will stir in a little bit. Make sure that the palm sugar is get dissolved. Okay, and then for the fish sauce, this is about 3 tablespoons. Okay, I will just put 2/3 of it. I don't put all because sometimes the curry paste that you bought, sometimes they already have a lot of fish sauce in it already, so you do not want it to get too salty. So you just put a little bit at a time, and then you taste first. Okay, now the chicken is done. Okay, we just put this in. Okay, this to make a nice color. So I put spur chili. Okay, and add these cardamom leaves. Wow, this is good. Okay, and then I will stir one more time. Wow, looks good. Okay. And the last process, I put the Thai sweet basil. Okay, and then turn off the heat. You don't need to wait until the curry to be boiled because you don't have to cook the sweet basil because it will get it cooked because of the heat from the curry. Okay, good. Wow, look at my red curry with chicken. Looks beautiful, the color is just right. This is how the red curry should look like. You know, if you follow my recipe and you really watch, my video from the beginning, then you will understand why the red curry is presenting this color. Because you have to be very delicate and pay attention, how to make the coconut cream and how to cook the chili paste. So wow, this is look beautiful and the color looks so nice. Everything, in the good combination. Okay, now let's try. So the red curry, usually we eat it with rice. Okay, so I will just put a little bit of the gravy on top and put a little bit of this sweet basil. A piece of chicken and gravy. Okay, alright. Wow. I cannot wait to try. Wow, look at this. Oh, color so nice. Wow. So good. It is so good. I'm really proud to present this recipe and the Thai red curry with chicken and eggplant. Just subscribe Thai Spice Kitchen and you'll get a good recipe like this. And if you like to know when my video is coming up, so please ring the bell and I see you again. Bye bye.